Honorable Chairman, sir, I'm truly grateful that you're on the chair today, especially when I'm speaking. Sir, हम लोग 100% attendance है इस session में, और हम 2 दिन से मैं खुद यहाँ पर बैठी हुई हूँ, सबके speeches सुन रही हूँ, because I do believe in the glorious 75 years of our constitution and the need for us to celebrate it. I come from a regional party, sir, in Maharashtra, and it is this constitution, it is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji's vision, which has got us to be able to speak about Maharashtra, to be able to compete as a political party against several national parties. And having said that, I was hoping that in this celebratory mode, we'd be able to raise our voices, but unfortunately only 3 minutes has been assigned to us, thanks to the Treasury benches. What is equally unfortunate is amongst the others, some get 5 minutes, some get 3 minutes. My floor leader got 3 minutes, while others who are in the others got 5 minutes to speak. So usme bhi bhedbhav hai. That goes to show that they do not believe in actually speaking up for the Constitution and what the Constitution guarantees us. Sir, having said that, I just also like to say I had spoken about how several parts make an entire whole. The Constitution has several parts to it, and the whole is greater than its parts, the sum of its parts. If I was to go into every single part about the Constitution, we would see how this government has systematically weakened every single part of India's Constitution and undermined the Constitution at every single given point of time, sir. Sir, fundamental rights, everybody has spoken about, so I will not spend my time on that. But if you look at Part 5 of the Constitution, Part 6 of the Constitution, Part 8 of the Constitution, Part 11 of the Constitution, and the 10th Schedule of the Constitution, and how, whether it is about the federal structure of this country, whether it is about the union versus states, whether it is about political parties, anti-defection law, and undermining the Schedule 10, which mandates that 2/3 of the people, even if they defect, they need to merge into another party, otherwise they will be facing disqualification, has been denied to them. So what is equally unfortunate? We are talking about the judiciary. Part 5 of the Constitution also has the judiciary. The constitutional bench takes forever to take a decision which impacts and harms and undermines and weakens our Constitution. And that is the unfortunate reality that smaller parties like us face. We continue to hope that our judiciary will ensure and highlight and fasten the process of giving us justice. Unfortunately, we are still fighting that in the courts of law.
Shame.
Election forms a very important part, sir. Election forms a very important part of the Constitution. But we have seen in Maharashtra how 46 lakh people are added in the electoral rolls between the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha, sir. We still don't have an answer from the Election Commission on that. The second thing, sir, 13% jump in voter turnout, which even the former CEC has questioned. Sir, just one more minute. I seek your indulgence, sir, because you're on the chair, and I'm happy to see you on the chair, sir.
Please, let's conclude.
Sir, the last,
please, last point.
Sir, the last thing I would want to say here is, another important part of the Constitution is finance, property, contracts, trade, commerce. Forms part of the Constitution. We have seen how income tax forms the highest revenue component of the government, which is personal income tax is 31%, corporate tax is just 26.5%, which is contributing. And how one particular industrialist is getting land in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, undermining all rules of law, and it's being seen, the favoritism is being seen from the government of the day. All those are unconstitutional, sir. With those kind words, I would like to thank you so much for allowing me to speak on this important debate. Thank you.
Shri Ramji, 3 minutes.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.